Hey you! In this video, I'm going to be walking you through one of my more recent side hustles that I do to make money in my busy day-to-day life. What I have been doing since pretty much the beginning of 2022 is actually mystery shopping. I know this is not a new concept by any means, but I tried it out for myself and I've had pretty great results so far, so I just kind of wanted to walk you guys through the process and demonstrate how simple and easy it is, and what I have done that has worked well for me. So two of the companies that I happen to use for mystery shopping, the first one is called BestMark. Become a mystery shopper with BestMark. So without revealing too much information as to the clients that they have you mystery shop for, BestMark was actually the first company that I started with. I signed up and it was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. They have actual mystery shops as well as some virtual options. When you go through the main website, you shouldn't have to worry about any issues. Basically, select a shop if it shows up that it's available. Read the information, see if it works well with you, if you can match the date and time that it has selected, and if you meet all of the requirements. You request the shop, and then basically a short time later, they let you know that it's been confirmed and that you can go ahead and do that mystery shop. The second company that I have been working with for mystery shopping is called Market Force. Like I said, without revealing too much information on our clients and where you specifically mystery shop for, Market Force has an app that's actually very handy that I use for just kind of like browsing through my assignments, the guidelines, the questionnaires, all that, with all the details for my mystery shops. Pretty much the same thing. You can enter a zip code, look for potential shops near you. And something that I have done that has really helped me out is I put together a Google Sheet that is comprised of all of the information from all of the mystery shops that I have done. This allows me to go back and reference which company it was with, the date that I did it, the merchant that I did the mystery shop with, how much I'm getting reimbursed for the mystery shop, how much I'm getting paid for the mystery shop, and just kind of marking when I was definitely paid out on those. The merchant column will be blurred out so you can see which company I worked with. I started at the end of 2021. You can see reimbursement. They pay you back for however much up to a certain amount, and they let you know what that is in the shop description. And then after that, payment is like anything extra that they'll pay you just for performing that mystery shop. And so that's pretty neat. And then the date I was paid out, and so as you can see, there's a few lingering that I still haven't gotten paid out on. And I even have these columns on the far right hand side. I've got the total. That's basically a formula for everything I've been reimbursed for, as well as everything I've been paid on. This box indicates what I have incoming. That includes both reimbursement and payment amounts. Compensation, that is basically what I have made in the payment column. That excludes what I've been reimbursed for. That's simply money that I have been paid for doing all of this. And then the next, reimbursement, that's money that I've had to spend. But one thing I will say at this point is I've been using a credit card of mine that does offer, I believe, quadruple points on restaurants and dining out, which has been pretty sweet. It's a pretty easy way to just pay for your food real quick, get those points, earn that cash back or whatever the case, and then eventually get reimbursed for it. But I have received, this is everything that I have been paid out on so far. And then I segregated the amounts by company. So this is how much I've made with Market Force so far on my spreadsheet, and this is how much I've made with BestMark. They have more than just restaurants, but that's just what I have been doing lately. They offer mystery shops for all kinds of different places, auto repair places, tax places that do your taxes, mattress selling shops. After requesting the shop and getting it confirmed, you read through all the details, you go and perform the shop, follow the guidelines, do everything that you're supposed to, ask the questions that you need to, take notes if you have to, otherwise just make observations and obviously record the times if and when necessary and applicable. Get your receipt or whatever the case is required, and then afterwards you have a couple of hours to submit your report. And so you kind of go back into the website or the app, and you basically go into that assignment, and then you answer all the questions: the date you were there, the time you entered, the time you left, who helped you, if they suggested this, asked you this, if the store was clean, you look for that, store cleanliness, dining room cleanliness, restroom cleanliness, things of that sort, and basically your overall experience, if you would return to this location, what you thought they did well on, yeah, all kinds of questions like that. And so for me, it's been really nice. As you can see based on my spreadsheet, what I've done is I'll schedule them usually like after work, so I'll kind of make it work for me. So I'll schedule one right after work. On my way home, I'll stop at this place. You definitely don't have to eat all of the food. You just have to taste it, and or just ensure the hot food's hot, that your drink is cold, that it's not over seasoned, things of that nature. It's nice to knock a couple out throughout the work week, because like I said, then I get reimbursed on my purchase. I get quadruple the points on my credit card, and then I get a little payment in most cases, which has been very nice. And as you can see, it's added up. So for doing this in less than 6 months time, my reimbursement and payment totals have exceeded $1,000. And something that most are not taken into account, that I think, when mystery shopping for restaurants, not only does the company reimburse you for the food that you get, they pay you to do the mystery shop and make some observations. And not only that, but that saves you from having to spend money on food that you maybe would have eaten otherwise. So there's all kinds of benefits to doing mystery shopping. It's been a great experience for me. I intend to continue to do this. I just wanted to demonstrate to you guys how simple and easy this is. I highly recommend it. It's been pretty neat. It's definitely more popular, and there are more shops in busier cities and areas, but definitely worth taking a look. I will leave my shopper IDs in the description for referral codes if you guys do get signed up with BestMark or Market Force. And so yeah, just another way to earn some quick, easy money. It's not going to make you rich by any means, but like I said, it does add up. Let's get started. The time is now.